I'm Phil Turner, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to spray paint your alloy wheels. We'll cover 4 steps that will deliver a professional finish. The car is an Audi S3 with 19-inch alloy wheels. Let's look at the shopping cart for today's job. We'll need 3 cans of black spray paint, 2 cans of clear coat, large bin liners, a bottle of degreaser, masking tape and some sandpaper for metal in grades P80, P120 and P180. My shopping bill was $100. The wheels are in poor condition with scuffing, scratches and curb rash. To repair the wheels, I'm using a sanding technique. I start with a coarse P80 sandpaper and then work down to a finer P180 paper for a smooth finish. I spent about 45 minutes on each wheel to make them look like new. Next, we'll clean with a degreaser and then give a good rinse down with a pressure washer. Once the wheels are 100% dry, we'll begin masking. Take 1 large bin liner and weave it behind the alloy wheels so that it protects the brake disc and calipers. Then mask around the wheel rim so that the tyres are protected. Finally, tape a bin liner to the bodywork, cut to shape and tape to the tyres. It's a typical hot day here in Sydney, and I checked the weather website to make sure no rain is forecast and the winds are light. We're ready to begin spray painting. The process is to apply 2 light coats followed by 1 medium coat. Apply the first light coat, holding the can parallel and about 8 to 10 inches from the surface to be painted, using an even sweeping motion. Wait 10 minutes before applying each coat. When you apply the final wet coat, be careful not to overspray and cause paint drips on the wheels. After 1 hour, then apply the clear coat spray, and again it's 2 light coats followed by 1 medium coat. For $100 and a day's DIY, the alloy wheels have been transformed into a new set and look stunning in satin black.
Keep safe and thanks for viewing today.